Okay, we got Coconut on the cam today. Coconut, thank you. Jelly Bean.
Foot up, it may kick you.
That's a good point. Okay, you can put it down if you want.
Okay.
Okay, so what we've done, we just put a little bait on. Jelly Bean has a case of plantar fasciitis, and so what we're going to do is we're going to teach her not to really wear flats. Okay, right? You know why?
Why?
Because it puts too much impact on your heel.
Oh.
You need a cushioned shoe for a while. And if you can get yourself one of those Dr. Scholl's gelling like a felon insoles, that would be a really good idea.
Oh, okay.
And I would stay away from, these dangerous... I'm
I'm
afraid I'm going to get impaled on this thing.
That ain't my problem.
4x4. 4x4, please.
Yes.
So, Jelly Bean, what we're going to do is we're going to spray the magic cold spray on you, and then I'm going to stick this needle in here ever so gently.
Ever so gently.
And I'm going to inject some cortisone.
Don't tell me when you get ready to do it. Just do it.
Just do it. Well, here comes the cold spray. Gonzo's become a cold spray expert. Come down a little bit more. Woo! My fingers are getting cold.
Oh
Woo! Little stick. Okay, don't jump. Okay. Okay, I haven't done anything but stick the needle in. Sting, burn.
Oh my gosh.
Is it hurting? Yes, this hurts.
Yes.
Yes. Got to get it right where it hurts or it doesn't work very well.
Breathe.
You have to breathe. And if I don't get the medicine everywhere, it doesn't work very well. So one more push over here. And then we're going to move one more toward the middle of the heel. Are you ready?
No. You can do it.
Just go. I know that hurt.
No.
Take a deep breath.
It's okay.
That wasn't that bad?
It wasn't bad at all, believe it or not.
Now I'm going to put a little pressure on this because I want to spread the medicine around under the skin.
Okay.
How's that?
That's wonderful.
Is it hurting as much now?
Not at all.
Okay, see now I'm putting a lot of pressure on this and it doesn't hurt. So that tells me something very important, YouTube
Well,
fans.
you know what? It's mild. It's mild.
It's very mild.
It's
Right.
very, very mild.
Okay, so what that tells me, what? It tells me something, Gonzo. What does it tell me?
You got the spot.
We got the medicine in the right spot. Very
Wow.
good. So we're going to put a Band-Aid on this and you're going to do what?
I'm going to buy me some Dr. Scholl's as soon as I leave here.
Okay, perfect. And you're going to wear some...
I really have to. I can't wear my heels.
You got to be off these heels for a little while.
Okay, no problem. No
And
problem.
good.
I can do that. How
So-
long?
A week at least.
Okay. I got plenty of hair.
Have you been working out on a treadmill at all?
No, I just go out. I spin and dance. No,
You can't.
Okay, I'll take it.
Not at all.
Okay, you did great. Congratulations.
That wasn't that bad. I was
Really? I was really thinking it was going to hurt a lot.
No.
Don't look.
I'm sorry.
Tell us something.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I take Dr. G's Meta7.
This right here?
I've been taking it since, well, for 1 month, actually.
And
And I really enjoy it because it activates my life, just like it says. I have lots of energy.
you do have more energy.
And yes, a lot
And
more
you're
energy.
taking it as part of a weight loss program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we have lost some weight, but we're not going to attribute all of that to the Meta7 because we use something else to help. But the good thing is while you're losing weight, you still have lots of
Energy.
yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And I like to swim, and so it's great because I can swim extra long because of the Meta7. I really, really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, yes,
Thanks.
you're welcome.